Hi, in this video I'll show you how to download Blender properly and install it in your PC. Okay, for it I am using Chrome browser. So go here and search here Blender. Okay, then after this is the official website, that is called www.blender.org. Okay, this is the official website. You need to click here, and then after the latest version of Blender right now is Blender 4.3. Okay, and I'm recording in January 2025 this course. So this is the latest version, and it might be possible that if you are watching this course after March, April, or December in 2025 or 2026, then the Blender will surely launch another version that is called Blender 4.6, Blender 4.7. So you can use that version as well, because this course is suitable for all the latest version. So I'm using this Blender 4.3. So I'm going to click here download to download this software, and right now I'm using Blender 4.3.2. okay, and it automatically detects my PC that I'm using a Windows PC. Okay, if you are using Mac PC, then it will show you Mac. Okay, and if you are using Linux, then it will show you Linux. So then after click here download Blender 4.3, and it will take some time to download, and I think Blender website is little bit slow. So the download process is now started, and it will take some time. Okay, so I have already downloaded this file. So then after go to this download folder, here download folder, and you will get a Blender 4.3.2 or whatever the latest version. Let's assume that latest version is Blender 4.5.2. okay, so it will show here, the version is also showing here. So then after click two times here. So the Windows is now preparing to download or install this software. So here you need to press next to install this software. Okay, and accept this the term and license agreement as well, and press next. You can read this agreement, but I think nobody read this, so I'm going to press next. Then after you can choose the destination folder, but I'm leaving it by default. So then after press next here, and again press install. Okay, and it will take something around 30 seconds or 1 minute to install this software in your PC. Then after you need to click here yes. Okay, and it will take some time, and I think it won't take so much time. So it is copying that for files in my folder that I have selected. So for it you can use latest version, because this course is suitable for all the versions, but I'm not advising you to use Blender 3.6 or any older version of Blender before Blender 4.0. okay, learn how to support Blender. No, I don't need it, so I'm deselecting it. Then after I'm finishing this setup. Okay, so I have finished this setup. Now Blender 4.3 is now installed in my PC. Okay, I'm opening it. So for opening, press two times here, and this will take some time because I'm opening it for the first time in this PC. So this is now opening, and whenever you open this for first time, this splash screen will come in front of you. So for here select English. If you are familiar with English, I know that you are familiar with English. Then after you can select dark or light, it is in your preference, but I think Blender dark is perfect for me. It is in your choice. Then after you need to select Blender. Okay, left and spacebar play. Okay, this is the perfect setting for this right now. So I'm going to click here continue. Okay, and the another splash screen will come in front of you. This is the general splash screen. So after that, and we will learn this software completely in after upcoming video. So friends, I'll meet you in the upcoming videos. Bye.